Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting my Java assignment project. So here I'm presenting my first application I have made. This is a basic user interface app, button click application. You can see our main activity KT file here. That is our main file which we compile to render the UI. In this main activity KT, we contain the actual design part here. So let's run the project. As you can see here in the screen, we have five buttons. One is on top left, top right, at the center Android, at the bottom left, and bottom right. What will it happen when you click on a specific button? It will indicate you that which button you have clicked. Let's move on to our next project. As you can see, our project is opening right now. So as you can see, I have built an radio button project here. So I have taken three radio buttons as Spain, Italy, and France as a country selection. What will happen here when we click on a specific radio button? It will give some city selection according to that country. As you can see, I have clicked France, so it in the drop down section it gave me some cities according to the France. Once I click, once I select and click submit button, it display me at the bottom that which options I have been selected. So after that, let's move on to our next project. So inside this project, as you can see, I have like built an catalog app. Uh, Here I have added some data, as you can see. So let's run the project. Let's see what we have inside that catalog app. It may take some time to render the UI. So let's wait till the UI appears. Then I will explain you what I have done here. So one more thing I want to tell you that remember inside that main activity KT file, we put the whole design section in the inside that file because that's that one the file which one we are going to render. So as you can see inside that UI section, we have like some items like capybara, platypus, monitor lizard. Let's open the next project. As you can see, here is the code for a login application, which like contains the fields like username and password as admin and password static username password. So if we place that data inside the field and press the button, it will redirect us to the login page. Then again we are back on to the uh, button click application. So let's see what we have. Then here you can see I have used two toes. function I have created, which what in this function what I am doing, that is, I mentioned that when we click on a specific button, it will like show us a pop-up message like what which button I have clicked. So for that section, the whole show toast function part is being written, and inside this project we have a specific file called buildgradle.kts. Inside that file, we contain the dependencies. So whatever packages we are using for those packages, dependencies are going to stored inside that buildgradle.kts. Like you can see, we have a structure here to create the main UI part, like where we have put the text part, where we have placed the radio button. So we can design a specific design structure before making an UI, so that we can have a better understanding. As you can see, when we click on Spain, in the drop down, it's giving me some city name. I have been like I have set for that particular option. Let's move on to the next app. Let's see what we are we have here. Right now, our Gradle dependencies for the project is going to be sync. As you can see on the top, it's saying Gradle project sync in progress. That means the necessary dependencies are syncing with the like main UI packages I have used here. Right now, I am demonstrating you the catalog project here. So like this, you can see item list dot add like this, how I set those data for the catalog inside a particular array. There are multiple ways to store the data I want to show, but because this is a basic project for the practices, so I have choose to use an array list to store my data. So when I click on a particular item, so it will take me to a different page which will contain the data regarding that particular item, like images, the description, and all. So let's move on to our next project. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so in front of us, our login application is open now. There you can see there is a on create function uh, I have created. I have so let's move on to our next project. So this is a project I have made, and this is a like in a basket app, you can say. So in this project, we have some certain items inside that app which we can add in our basket, and there is a button called like a view basket. As you can see inside the interface, I have already added certain items, their prices, and their add to basket option beside the beside each item. So when we click on to the add to basket option, as you can see one by one, the data is being added, and in beside those items, there is a remove button, so we can remove the items from the basket. and if we click on that view basket option, so contain it will display the content item inside it. So that's all my project. Thank you.